Hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So we have got a Baleno 2018 model to get it modified. So let me tell you what all accessories we have upgraded as part of RS Car Premium. The first thing what we have done is customer had a brightness issue, so we have added the LED headlights, and customer had a dummy fog lamp, so we have added a fog lamp. The best part what we have done is we have used an auto folding mirrors on Baleno 2018 model. If you see here, right, the mirrors are closed. If I try to open it, it will get opened, and if I wanted to close it, it will get closed. Same way it will work on switches as well. So the customer wanted a good quality audio upgrade, so what we have done is we have given Alpine S series with a 2 layers of damping. On speakers, what we have done is on front we have put Alpine S series component, on back we have used S series coaxial. So customer wanted a more clarity, so we have suggested him to go with an Alpine. So other main important thing was RSCAR Premium mirror dash cam, which comes with both front 4K and rear 2K with a G sensor and a parking guard option. It also comes up with an GPS with an offline tracking. And the best part is it will record your voice as well. Other main important thing is what customer wanted was to his glasses all to be closed, so we have used an up modular. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded, please reach out to RSCAR Premium.